Okay, these are pots that I'm going to plant some of my moringa trees and stuff in. And it's just going to be too heavy for me and Boris to lift. So I made handles like these totes you can buy at Target or whatever, or Walmart.
Can I demonstrate?
And so, yeah, here.
I'm the demonstrator.
It's going to be 2 people. Headset? So 2 people can lift it. You see? And I made holes in it with a soldering iron. And then now I have zip tied the ends. And, oh, I had the fire going. And I'm melting it so it'll stay shut. But the zip tie helps keep it from fraying while you're melting it. These are the handles for my 25-gallon pots. And I have to melt the tips so they don't fray with my gas stove.
With your illegal, soon to be illegal gas.
Okay, I'm melting my string, my handles for my buckets. Got to melt the edges. And also I want to tell everybody you should be wearing a mask when you're doing this, because of the toxic fumes. Well, making pots again, and guess what? After all that melting of the little holes here, I realized that I just can get a drill bit, and I've been drilling the holes. And I braided these because I had to buy regular stuff and kind of hand make the handle properly. And then you melt the tips. You melt the tips. I had to use a zip tie to hold it all together, and then I melt the tips with the gas stove. Hey, if they take our gas stoves away in California, good thing I did this now. So the other pots I'm drilling from the top, but these don't have a wide enough base, and my drill bit thing, it's like this, I don't know what you call it.
Yeah, the drill bit.
But it's it drills holes. And I'm drilling the holes in there on the sides. And I'm making handles because these things get too heavy for me to lift, even both of us, and we're older now. And there's a lot of things you can't do when you get older. So I'm drilling holes so that I can put the handles that I made. Oh crap. And I'll have to show you the handles, but each, I don't have the handles here handy, but let me go show them this one. Oh, come on. Here we go.
There she goes.
So you can buy these totes in the store, but these were buckets pots that I already bought that are much sturdier than the totes at the store, and they already have the holes. So, and they were cheaper than the pots at the store. So, I made handles so that we can lift, 2 people can lift it and move it around if the sun is in a different location or whatever. So, it just makes our life easier.
Yes, amazing.
You see, look. Even my tote broke and I put a new handle in it.
Yeah, that's great.
These are at the store already, but...
Hey, Lewis. Yeah, so that's the big thing. Okay.
Okay, I got my handles finished. On my pots.